Number 13 on page 215 states, write a polynomial function of minimum degree in standard form with real coefficients. And we are given the following zeros. We're given 1 with a multiplicity of 2 and negative 2 with a multiplicity of 3. So we're going to start this problem the way we started the others in this section by writing the linear factorization for f. But this time we have to take into account the multiplicity. So the first factor will be x minus 1, and now it'll have an exponent of 2. And the second factor will be x plus 2 with an exponent of 3. So the next step will be to expand each of those binomials, and then we'll multiply them together. So the first expansion gives us x squared minus 2x plus 1. And when we cube x plus 2, we get x to the third plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. Now we just have to multiply those two polynomials together to get our standard form. And we get x to the fifth plus 4x squared, 4x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 10x squared minus 4x plus 8.